Are you looking to treat yourself this Christmas? Feeling like you need a glow up? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing HealPath Restore UK Turkey, where you can revive your health, renew your youth, and rediscover yourself. Located in the beautiful city of Istanbul, we offer a wide range of medical tourism services. Whether you're looking for aesthetic surgeries, dental treatments, or hair transplants, we have it all. And that's not all! Our full package includes VIP car transportation, taking care of your airport transfers, hotel transfers, and clinic visits. You'll be staying in a luxurious hotel with breakfast provided, ensuring you have a comfortable and relaxing stay. But it doesn't stop there. With over 12 years of experience, we work with first-class facilities and expert doctors to guarantee optimal results, comfort, and recovery. And here's the best part. All our treatments come with a lifetime guarantee. That's right. We stand behind our services and ensure your satisfaction for years to come. But don't wait too long. We have a special promotion until the end of November 2023. A full package at 30% off the recommended retail price. So why wait? Call now at 95 536 838 8259 or 44 7788 231 316 for a free, no-obligation consultation. Our team is ready to answer all your questions and guide you through your ultimate health journey. Revive your health, renew your youth, and rediscover yourself with HealPath. Restore UK Turkey in Istanbul.